balik na now para sa ating partnership.
First months every free. Our programs focus one in prevention. So in terms of strategy, we just started this year to work on our prevention program. So what we do is we go to communities or even to churches, and we do orientation on human trafficking. And we always believe na ang church, people, they understand that. And they're the most willing and open good to receive them. So, mano siya nga mong partnership with them is very vital.